Hello, dear friends. Welcome to you all on my channel that is Saraswati Vigyan Classes. I am Upasana Kanwar and today I am here with a topic of 10th class NCERT science book with lesson first, that is chemical reaction and equations. I am here with some definition regarding the lesson. We have already discussed some definitions in our previous lecture. You can see that. Next definition is photolysis or photochemical decomposition reactions. Photo mean light. Mean the reactions involve the use of light energy for the purpose of decomposition is called photochemical reaction. Example, the silver if the silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it decomposes to give silver metals and chlorine gas. AgCl2, when exposed to sunlight, it gives silver Ag and Cl2 gas, chlorine gas. Next definition is oxidation reactions. Oxidation reaction, the reaction in which addition of oxygen takes place or removal of hydrogen occur is called oxidation reaction. For example, copper plus oxygen makes copper oxide. Here it is example of oxidation because oxygen is adding in the copper. Next beta, it is most IMP from the examination point of view. Next is reduction reaction. It is totally opposite to the oxidation reaction. Here addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen takes place. If hydrogen gas is passed over the heated material of copper oxide and the plaque coating on the surface of the surface turn brown as a reverse reactions takes place and copper is obtained. This is example of reduction reaction because addition of hydrogen is taking place. Next, rain acidity. This is also very important definition from the examination point of view. Rain acidity mean विकृत गंधिता. मीन बेटा जो फूड आइटम है उनका स्मेल या उनकी टेस्ट थोड़ा ख़राब हो जाना इज़ ड्यू टू ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ फूड इज़ कॉल्ड रेन एसिडिटी. To save the food item from this, addition of oxygen is done in the food item. Nitrogen is done in the food item like chips packet वगैरह packet. Next is redox reaction, the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Mean oxidation and reductions both occur at the same point. For example, beta MnO2, if we add it with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, it will form MnCl2 and water and chlorine. But what we have read कि ऑक्सीडेशन क्या, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कहाँ हो रही है, ये इन हाइड्रोजन हेयर. ओके, हेयर एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज टेकिंग प्लेस and it is oxidation and addition of hydrogen. तो ऑक्सीजन में addition of hydrogen is also taking place, so it is example of redox reactions. I hope you are understanding it. Okay, next, chemical equations on the basis of temperature. This is most IMP definition. Next is exothermic reaction. Exo mean बाहर निकलना, heat का बाहर निकलना. Mean the reaction in which heat is given out along with the formation of product is called heat reaction. Try to understand. Reactions takes place but heat given out. For example, when methane is burned, it form carbon dioxide, water and heat is given out. So it is example of exothermic reactions. Next example from our day-to-day life. If we add water into the slake lime chuna, it will become hot. If we put our hand into the slake lime, we feel hot because it is exothermic reaction. Heat is given out. Getting me? Okay, nice. Next, most IMP, endothermic reactions. Endo mean inside, mean heat is absorbed, The reaction in which heat is absorbed along with the formation of product is called endothermic reaction. You can also take screenshot and its example. If we add acetones on our palm, we feel cool. Acetone nail polish remover. Why? Because heat is absorbed. Okay, and these are some definition regarding the lesson. First, I hope you understand it, and thank you for watching my video, giving me your precious time. And if you like my content, I request you to like my channel, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.